As the demand for sustainable construction rises, the Construction Industry Council and Hong Kong Green Building Council have launched Certification Scheme 2.0, adding more product categories and new sustainability labels to meet rising demand. To find out what's driving this upgrade, we're joined by Albert Chen from CIC and Dr. Tony Ip from HKGBC. Albert, what's prompted the upgrade to Certification Scheme 2.0?
Well, I mean, this Green Product Certification Scheme is owned by the CIC and operated by the Hong Kong GBC. The CIC Green Product Certification Scheme was launched in 2019. And they are very strong foundations for promoting sustainable constructions. So as the carbon neutrality target evolved, we recognize the need for a more comprehensive framework that align with the latest national and also international standards. So that's why we try to launch this new scheme, is to take into account of more new products in this industry. We all know that, I mean, over 30% of the global carbon emissions are linked to constructions, and materials such as steel or cement, they occupy, I mean, they play a substantial portion in these carbon emissions. So the transformation to this CIC Green Product Cert 2.0 was driven by the urgent need to address this climate change and also meet the growing demand for green building materials. So in these new versions, the number of products categories has increased from 28 to 32. We also introduced some new dimensions in the product certificate, such as the environmental effects and any innovative and smart technology applied during the production of the products, and also the resources that they employed. So which enable more precise and impactful procurement decisions. So this scheme is a strategic step toward helping Hong Kong achieve our shared goal of carbon neutrality and enhancing the industry overall competitiveness.
CIC Green Product Certification 2.0 is more than just an update. It's a holistic green and low carbon solution. It promotes the use of sustainable, non-toxic, and reusable materials and align with the international trends and local goals. So we have also incorporated feedback from industry stakeholders to ensure the scheme is practical, forward-looking, and aligned with the local green building standards, i.e. BIM+. It's a comprehensive solution that supports the entire building life cycle and helps position Hong Kong as a green building leader in the Greater Bay Area.
How has the industry's mindset shifted in recent years towards sustainable material sourcing?
I can see a very strong and continuous trend of mindset change of the industry stakeholders in Hong Kong about, I mean, environmental, using environmental products in the construction projects. In fact, let me cite an example. There's a very landmark building recently completed in Hong Kong, called it the Andersons. The developer had already instructed consultant, the architect, to adopt a lot of different kind of, let's say, layout, use materials, method construction, etc. In order to make, to build up such a building that is a characteristic of environmental, I mean, pioneering. So, I mean, they have got a lot of different kind of green products, such as and also, I mean, the different type of internal fitting out material, etc. I mean, after completions, this building was so welcomed by those tenants. Very, I mean, high brand international company. They moved in and rent the place because they love the place as the green building in order to give them a good value for their company in supporting the sustainability journey. So I can see that, I mean, this kind of example is that's a lot in Hong Kong at the moment. So I'm fully confident that at the moment, the Hong Kong developer, the professional, they all know about the good side of environmental, I mean, the effect of the projects. So they have already quite put the practice of using a lot of different kind of green product materials and layout design, etc. in their projects.
Indeed, the shift is also being driven by policy and public expectations. Internationally, regulations are becoming stricter, and locally, the public is more conscious of environmental and health issues. The building industry is embracing transparency through tools like EPD, Environmental Product Declaration, and life cycle assessments. So CIC Green Product Certification 2.0 supports this shift by offering a science-based, transparent certification system that empowers informed decision-making and continuous improvement.
Importantly for our SMEs, how can such small and medium-sized firms participate in the certification scheme?
Well, at the moment, we have over 1,000 green product certificates. Most of the green products they are produced by the SMEs, particularly they're produced in the mainland. So, in our platform, we have teaching sections. We have tried to use the teaching sections to help the SME to learn about how to register, how to make sure their product can be certified. And in fact, in the 2.0 green product certification scheme, we have created a new category called the general green product category. It's because in the current scheme, in the current scheme, we have some specific category for some specific building materials. But a lot of building material, they are very general, in terms of nature. So create this category to enable we can embrace more different kind of green building material, which has also have a green environmental benefit to the industry. And we have more than 13, engaged more than 13 mainland, auditor and certified body to help those SME to certify their products. So through all this means, I'm sure that we can embrace more SME to allow them to provide this kind of green product to be certified under the scheme.
Actually, we strongly encourage SMEs to participate. Their involvement is vital to scaling up green transformation across the industry. So CIC Green Product Certification 2.0 offers flexibility, clarity, and support to help the SMEs to showcase their sustainable products that gain market visibility. By joining the scheme, SMEs not only contribute to a greener Hong Kong, but also position themselves for long-term success in a sustainable driven market.
Thank you both very much for your time today, Albert and Tony.
Thank you for your interview, Simon.
Thank you.
Once again, our guests were Albert Cheng, Executive Director, Construction Industry Council, and Dr. Tony Ip, Director and Convener of the Green Product Task Force, Hong Kong Green Building Council. For more news, please visit hongkongbusiness.hk.